Now, Hefei municipality, you will know that it's one of the strategic investors that really helped Nio from 2020. I mean, 2020, this government or that municipality injected around 7 billion RMB onto Nio during the time when Nio was facing financial difficulties, which could have potentially led into Nio going to bankruptcy. But they came and injected $1 billion or around 7 billion RMB to rescue Nio, and today Nio, it really has done well. Though they are not yet profitable, it has really done well. The reason why I'm telling you about that is that, look, the video that I'm showing you, right? This is from some of the Hefei government officials, of course, really liking the kind of good investment onto Nio that was, because they've not only benefited in terms of their investments, putting money and getting some of the money back, but they've also created a lot of jobs, opportunities, and they've made Hefei to be one of the most powerhouse in terms of producing cars. Because look, the factory that, in fact, two of Nio factories, I think they are in Hefei, and obviously this shows you the kind of commitment that Nio also have onto Hefei, ensuring that their jobs, the technology innovation right there in Hefei, it's on the next level, which is absolutely great. Now, when I saw this video, of course, of Hefei officials commenting or happy about the investment onto Nio, I thought about you and me. Remember, we are not Hefei investment, we are not Hefei municipality, but look, we are putting away money onto Nio on a daily basis with an expectations or hoping that we get to double, triple, grow our money 4 times, even 10 times. And I think we are going to reap that. I think most definitely we are going to get to that level, because Nio continues innovating, Nio continues improving in terms of performance. Just the video before this one, we're talking about the insurance registrations that Nio reported for the period ending the 19th of October, where they had a total of 10,600 cars delivered last week, which that again showed us that indeed Nio is heading or it's heading to the next level, right? Production, it is said to be increased by 50% right now in this month of October, which again, that is good news, my dear friends, right? Seeing this video reminded us where Nio comes from, where it's at, and where it could be. I mean, Hefei government is not the only government, it's not the only government institution that is helping Nio, especially with their technology and all that. There are various number of government municipalities in China that are helping Nio, either building, battery swapping, that are helping Nio with various things like tax subsidies, which allows those consumers in some of those cities, those municipality demarcations, to get even up to 30,000 RMB worth of subsidies when they buy a Nio car, which shows you the massive support that the government has onto Nio, which is why I've always been saying, look, Nio, it's a company that is not going to go anywhere, because it is one of China's golden child, right? It is for this reason that government officials, government investment funds and all that will forever come and inject money, invest onto Nio when they see, of course, the need. But of course, where we are heading into Nio won't need a lot of funding, because this company, our very own Nio, right now in quarter 4, they are hitting profitability, or they are getting to profitability, which means that there might not be any more share dilutions. That number one. There might not be massive cash inflows in terms of investments, because they will be profitable. They won't need much funding unless it's a big thing or it's a big project, right? Which is something that is very, very good. And to us, the investors, this profitability really matters, because look, once it can be confirmed and it comes blue sky, I'm telling you, it's going to be amongst us, especially those that were taking the low trading price as an opportunity to increase our holdings onto Nio, right? Taking an opportunity to load the boat and bring down our average. During that time when Nio was at $3 earlier this year, that's what we were doing as the new investors, and we are definitely going to be rewarded with time. So my dear friends, seeing this coverage from CCTV of the Hefei government talking about their investments, how it has paid off, it is absolutely great, and it shows us, or it gives us the courage, the confidence to say that even us as the retail investors, we are most definitely going to obviously get massive returns like what the Hefei government got, right? I know it's still too early to say, but based off what we are seeing onto Nio, in terms of the deliveries, in terms of the insurance registrations, we are headed in a good direction. I'm just worried about some of the people that amidst all of these good news that we are seeing onto Nio, they are still talking about what if Nio does not get to profitability? What if, and especially after seeing the new CEO reaffirming profitability number of times, I think, I don't know, people don't want Nio to succeed. Some of the people, or people are just so negative, man. I mean, it's very, very interesting that you would see someone saying, what if Nio does not get to profitability? I mean, and that person claims to be a new investor. I mean, it's sad, man. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about those people. I'm here to tell you about what Hefei government or municipality just said about their investment onto Nio. It created jobs. It created jobs. The investment is considered a way to stimulate the local economy by attracting other companies in the new energy vehicle companies. You will know that other companies also, because of that the great story that Nio has made in Hefei, other countries or other companies, of course, they want to also build, and I think they've been building factories that they are using, or that they are also going to be producing their very own cars, which is absolutely great. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. Like, share, subscribe, hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Look, man, it takes me some time to make content like this, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up, is to subscribe, is to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified by YouTube every time I drop a new one. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.